Customer number 13134. Located leak coming from shower base. Doesn't appear to have a shower pan in it. Water's gotten this tile. This is the tile over. This tile under this tile. As you can see, there's water between the two. So there was a problem with this tile. So they tiled over it. This water's getting between that and going through the subfloor. Also, I noticed 4 cracks here. This is a seat. All of that sealant there is completely wet. That's all water sitting underneath the seat. Drain is clogged here. See all that debris in there. Then they have a water heater downstairs, very corroded, 9 years old, 50 gallon on a shelf. Here's a water heater here, GE, March of '01 is when it's built. And here's the top of it, completely rusted and corroded. All the valves are all corroded. Recommend having replaced all the valves, water heater, pan. Pan is broken, so if it was ever to leak, it would leak. Has leaked in the past. You can see the rust stains run down, and the rust into the pan here. May also require a board underneath to strengthen up the floor. And that's video number 3.